Okay, let's have another little quick looky here. See what I've been up to. There we go. So, yesterday I got my bench all cleaned up and oh, goodness gracious. Up inside the brick there was these huge puddles, and all the rest of this stuff has got some silver attached to it, so we made a new one. It of course broke, so very fragile kind of stuff, but it doesn't matter. Get a new plug, and the first one I did, I should have cut these two first and then with the hole saw, so that doesn't matter. The bricks are $5 a piece, and I decided to use a new cap, so it all looks very, very nice. So I am gonna start by throwing the torch to that mess with a whole bunch of this wonderful white powder we call borax, and we'll get I'm gonna put a good scoop of borax in there, maybe a little more. So first off, I'll use the propane just to melt down the flux, get things warmed up, and then I will switch over to MAP because I'm waiting on a new bottle of HGX to arrive. So we'll okay, so we got some major heat happening in there. Here is the brick and the slag that it was all attached to. I like this little furnace, the new one's kind of neat. Here we go. Okay. There's that, and there's a little bit more to come out of there yet, so once I get this all done, we'll pull it out and weigh it and see what was laying around the bench. Okay folks, there you go. That's what was laying around inside the furnace, scattered around the bench, the floor, the adjoining bench. I did not take all these bricks up because I know there's little beads of it all over down in there, but I have done it before. But so there you go, recovered 0.855 of an ounce, so almost an ounce of silver laying around in the bench. Now we'll just continue to live like it is. And I am not sure if this is silver or just flux, but we'll give it a try later on and see what the hell's inside there. But basically the new furnace works wonderful, and I am just awaiting silver now to arrive in the mail and have a really good time with. So there you go folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love comments. I could comment back to you for the rest of my life. So you all take care, and maybe if I remember, I'll tell you what happens with this one. Okay, there we go. With that other little kind of moon shape piece that was in there and knocked all the flux off it, and looks like we have 1.050055 ounces of silver that were laying around in the bench. I call this whole thing a success. Y'all take care now. Bye.